Hello, aspiring artists. I'm Sanfisha, and welcome back to our Creative Corner. Today, we're diving into the world of adorable sea creatures as we learn how to draw a cute baby shark. In this video, we'll take a journey together to draw and color a delightful baby shark. It's going to be a fantastic experience, so grab your pencils and let's get started. Before we put pencil to paper, let's imagine our baby shark enjoying the ocean waves. Picture the joy as it swims gracefully in the sea. Ready? Let's bring that joy to life through our drawing. Now, let's break it down. Begin with the body of the baby shark, capturing its smooth curves. Next, add those adorable eyes that express the innocence of our little friend. And don't forget those tiny, sharp teeth, a trademark feature of our baby shark. Take your time, and let your creativity flow. With our drawing complete, let's add some color to make our baby shark truly vibrant. Use easy, attractive strokes, imagining the underwater world coming alive on your paper. Feel free to experiment with colors, make it as unique as you want. And there you have it. A charming baby shark ready to swim off the page. If you enjoyed this drawing journey, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more artistic adventures. Your support keeps this creative community thriving. Until next time, happy drawing. Remember to speak naturally and engage with your audience throughout the video. Happy creating, Sanfisha.